Ready to elevate the look of your emails with a custom touch? Changing the text color in Gmail is quick. First, head to gmail.com and sign into your account. Once you are signed in, click the Compose button right here. Now type out your email and highlight it. Once you have highlighted, at the bottom of the Compose window, you'll notice a small A icon. Tap that and tap the A icon again. Here's where you can get creative. You can see the text color and background color. Select the color you want. Once you are happy with your text color, simply tap on send. And just like that, you can change your text color in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.